Can I download Android apps on my Hisense Smart TV after installing Google Play?
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's been on everyone's mind recently. Can we download Android apps on a Hisense Smart TV? The answer is yes. But there's a catch, so let's get right into it.
Is your Hisense Smart TV an Android TV?
Before we get started, there's an essential point we need to address. Not all Hisense Smart TVs run on the Android operating system. Many of them operate on Hisense's proprietary Vita platform. If your Hisense TV is not an Android TV, unfortunately, you won't be able to install Google Play Store or download Android apps on it.
How do I know if my TV is an Android TV?
If you're unsure whether your Hisense Smart TV runs Android, don't worry. Here's an easy way to check. Simply navigate to the Settings or About section on your TV's main interface. If it's an Android TV, it will display information about the Android version it's running.
I have an Android Hisense TV. Can I install Google Play Store?
Congratulations, if your Hisense Smart TV is an Android TV. Now, let's talk about Google Play Store. Most Hisense Android TVs should already come with Google Play Store pre-installed. If it's not, the TV may not be certified by Google, which could complicate the process. Unfortunately, you can't directly install Google Play Store on uncertified Android TVs.
I have Google Play Store. Can I download apps?
Yes, you can. If your Hisense Android TV has the Google Play Store, you can download and install apps from the store just like on any other Android device. Simply open the Google Play Store, search for your desired app, and hit Install. There you have it. If your Hisense Smart TV is running on the Android platform and has the Google Play Store installed, you're all set to download and enjoy a world of Android apps right on your TV. Remember, it's crucial to verify your TV's operating system before proceeding with any installations. We hope this video was helpful, and enjoy exploring new apps on your Hisense TV.